Hey, what's up, Dent coin holders? So, Dent coin is a mind blowing change occurred this time. Therefore, I make this video specially for Dent coin holder. My friend, in the last 1 hour, you can see here plus 15.05% they gone up. Absolutely very highest change occurred in the last 1 hour, my friend. And you can see here in the last 24 hour, they gone up absolutely 43.15%. But the 15% just in the last 1 hour, you can see here. So, definitely very highest jump, my friend. This time they take, and the price is also decreasing now very fastly. So let's see, let's go on to the graph, my friend. But definitely please do subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. I updating you, I guide you every time, any type of currency. So please click the subscribe button. If you are new, please subscribe and press bell icon, my friend. This time you can see here 15% they're going up. So this is jump like a rocket, my friend, like a Spider-Man. They're going up. Oh my goodness, my friend. We are ready for the moon. This time you can see here in the last 1 hour they're going up. So let's see, my friend, the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. The last 24-hour result absolutely mind-blowing and crushful. You can see here, just my friend, at the last 24-hour, they starting moving up like a rocket. What a change, my friend. I can't believe this. I am going to buy because the price is very cheap, my friend, and definitely very fastly increase this time the price as the target is zero point 0.1 US dollar, my friend. I hope they can hit the zero point 0.1 US dollar just in 2 or 3 days. Yesterday they can easily hit it, my friend. So wait for a good time, my friend. Don't sell it, just hold it. There is no option to use sell it. Definitely, but the price is increased now and only increase. No dump. You can see here, no dump. No dump. Exactly, my friend. They're going at the moon. We are ready for the moon, my friends. Oh, what a change, my friend. You can see here this time the very back change, my friend. From you can see here this time from 75 to 88 US dollar, my friend. They're going very fastly. They are going up, my friend. So, Dent coin holder, please keep touch with us. Absolutely, I am updating you for urgent news of which time they gone up. Absolutely, I inform you, my friends. You can see here this time. Absolutely, they're moving off at very highest trend for Dent coin holder. This is very good news. Thanks for watching, Dent coin holder. Keep touch with ABS Tech channel. My brother, my lovely friends, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.